So you now join me in a very windy Wenvoe, W-E-N-V-O-E, and that building behind me used to be Wenvoe Railway Station. It was run by Barry Railways and then afterwards by Great Western. It was built on the 16th of March 1896 and it eventually closed on the 10th of September 1962. About 6 months before its closure, they kept the line open, and that line used to run from Cadoxton and then come like northwest through the Wenvoe Tunnel, which is still there, and that tunnel is 1 mile and 108 yards long, and it comes out at Drope. So there you have it behind me. It's the closest I can get, Wenvoe Railway Station.